How to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days. So if you want to recover permanently deleted Instagram account after 30 days, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with your Google or your browser. After that, you can search for Instagram Help Center. Go with help.instagram.com, which is on the first, and it will take you to the Instagram Help Center on your browser. Now, once you're under your Instagram Help Center, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Tap on Manage Your Account. Under Manage Your Account, you need to go with Sign Up and Getting Started. After that, you need to scroll down, and here under Was This Helpful, you need to tap on No and tap on Other. And here, you need to just enter a text, which is Hello Instagram team. I deleted my Instagram account because I wanted to take a break from it. Since there was no option available to temporarily deactivate my Instagram account, I deleted it so that I could log in after 29 days, but accidentally I forgot. So please help me to recover my permanently deleted Instagram account. And you need to enter your email address, your username of your Instagram account. And after that, within a few hours, you'll receive a mail from Instagram on how you can fix your problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.